Dans le Noir is the first restaurant where people eat in pitch dark, guided and served by blind people. It's the only restaurant in Paris that is really different. It's in between the restaurant and the show.
Never done it before? Should be interesting.
Excited too. That's the first time in the dark I will eat.
I'm hungry.
Alors, premier rideau.
People, when they come here, they come for fun. The restaurant where you eat in the dark. And they have fun.
I don't know if I've ever been in a dark this dark. I don't know how to find the food on the plate to get the right amount on my plate.
Is it not rude to be touching your food right now?
I'm touching my
Okay.
People realize that they eat with a lot of preconception, with a lot with their eyes.
Hey, it's a surprise menu, so nobody is supposed to know what is on the menu.
Zucchini.
Mm-hmm. It could have been jicama with some kind of flavoring on it.
So I see zucchini, celery. Did you really eat an apple? Because everything I'm eating tastes like steak. Some kind of beef or pork, red meat.
Oh wow. I found another side of my plate that I didn't know existed.
You go out of this experience with a lot of questions in your head. What is the taste? How does it work? For some people, it's a real tough experience because it's real pitch dark. And so people can be a little bit afraid. But this is where the blind people are fantastic.
I lead them, I reassure them, I comfort them if they need it.
If I put you to work in the dark for 4 hours every evening, you will come to me after 2 or 3 days and you will tell me, forget it, I won't do it. So if we have blind people in our team, it's not because we want to help the blind, it's because we need the blind.
I am doing the opposite of what's done with blind people outside, and I think it's great.
It was good food, but you definitely rely a lot on the texture and the feel of the food.
It was tough to eat in the dark.
It gives you an appreciation for what people who are really blind have to do.
Let's say I am a little, some people say crazy, me I say I like adventure in general. So it was so different and so new that I was sure that people would like to try it at least once. We have now one restaurant in Paris, one in London. I think it will work in all the big cities of the world. People told me very strange things like, but it is too different. And me, I learn in any business school, they learn you that you create value with difference.